hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Lush collaboration reveal video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the new Lush collaboration. These products are absolutely incredible. You guys have to wait and stick around and see all these photos because I cannot wait to share with you all these products. So I am really excited about that. But before I dive into the actual video, I do just want to say, if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please do. 55.7% of you guys watching this video haven't actually subscribed. So if you haven't, please do. It would make my day and it would just really help out the channel to grow, and it means I can film more and more content for you. So yes, without further ado, we are going to dive right in. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and let's dive into the new collaboration. I am so excited to share this with you. Let's go. So the new collaboration is the Lush Asteroid City collection. This looks incredible. If you love anything space related, alien related, you are going to die over these products. Honestly, they are amazing. So I am going to be reading on my phone just the sort of basic info and then we're going to dive into the products. So the Lush Asteroid City collaboration will be available at the Lush Soho Pop-Up store, which is on Beak Street in London from the 8th of June until the 13th of July. So as I'm filming this video, it is already available, so make sure you go and check it out. It's open 12 till 6 on weekdays and it's closed on weekends, which makes no sense to me, but anyway. Also, there is an Asteroid City space coming to North America, which is based in Lush Miracle Mile in Las Vegas as of the 15th of June. Other than that, it says besides the two locations, the items will also be available online, UK and North America, at the Anchor stores and selected UK stores on the 15th. So that's all the information. Let's dive into the products. I'm so excited, honestly. These are insane. So the first item in this range is the Asteroid Bath Bomb. Now this is supposedly Space Girl scented, which if you haven't smelt Space Girl before, it's really hard for me to describe it because I get Palmer Violet, but I get kind of, you know those fizzy sweets? They're not the Palmer Violets, they're like the other ones that you get in a packet, like Love Hearty. It's kind of like that smell. It is so incredibly good, so nostalgic. I absolutely love it. Price wise, that one is going to be £6 or $9, so it is relatively expensive. I do think, and I do say this all the time, that Lush have definitely put up their prices, especially now everything is going up in price, so I feel like everything is going to get more expensive. But yeah, this is going to be £6 or $6, and it looks to be a really nice kind of intergalactic blue colour with a really kind of deep plum purple colour. It also looks like it's going to be really glittery and it has kind of a planet space vibe. I'm just very obsessed with that. So that is the first item of the range and I cannot wait for that. The next item is probably one that I'm going to definitely have to get my hands on, and if I don't, I'm going to be so upset. This is the Asteroid City Shower Gel, which again is Space Girl scented, and I feel like I've needed a Space Girl shower gel for about 5 years of my life. I absolutely love the smell of Space Girl. I am so excited to get my hands on this one. I also absolutely love the packaging. I think it's just so retro looking. It looks so cute and I'm obsessed with it, so I'm really excited about that. And price wise, that one is going to be £16 or $25, and that's for 250 grams, so the same price as all the others. And there is a car driving past my road now. I had to open my window, by the way, because it's like 25 degrees and I'm melting, so if you can hear any cars outside, I do apologise. But yes, so price wise, £16 or $25. I am very excited about that and it looks really good. I mean, it's a cartoon picture of a shower gel. How good can that look? But I'm excited nonetheless. The next item is something which I'm really excited to see out of the pot, and that is the UFO shower jelly. Now, you guys know I'm not a shower jelly kind of gal. Like, it's not for me. I don't tend to love them. But this is Collis scented, so I'm gonna have to get my hands on it because the smell of Collis, it just hits like nothing else. It's like a citrusy, limey, lime fruit pastel kind of vibe, and it's so good. I absolutely love it. And this looks like it's going to be a really vivid bright green, and I wonder, is it going to look like a UFO out of the pot? That would be really interesting to know, so I'm really excited about that. And price wise on that one, it is going to be £7 or $10. So it says on this one that So I've actually just checked the notes on this post and it's actually zesty scented, not Collis. So now I'm a little bit heartbroken because I love Collis so much, but never mind. Zesty, It's fruity, it's fresh, probably still gonna buy it, so I'm really excited about it. But yeah, I don't know whether £7 is a lot for a shower jelly. I feel like they used to be £3.50, £4 when I worked there. Am I making that up? I don't know. I feel like that is extortionate, but am I gonna buy it? Probably, let's be honest. So I can't really complain that much. Anyway, let's dive into the last item. The last item in this range is Doomsday Soap, which is comforter scented. Now, if you don't know what comforter smells like, where have you been? It's amazing. It smells like blackcurrant, and I know some people that don't like the smell, which baffles me because it's just such a wonderful scent, but it smells like blackcurrant. It is so sweet, so good. The actual look of this soap, I cannot think of how to describe it. It looks like a moon crater. Is that the right word? A crater? I feel like that is the right word, isn't it? Anyway, it looks like one of those, and it says Doomsday on the side. It just looks beautiful. Colour-wise, it looks very similar to, I think it was reindeer soap we had like 5 or 6 years ago that came out and was comforter scented. So I'm assuming it's probably the exact same formula, but just a different mould. Price-wise on that one, it's £6 for a piece or $10. Again, I think that's kind of a standard price for Lush soaps now. So yeah, I don't know. Is that expensive? I don't really know. So those are all of the products for the brand new Lush Asteroid City collaboration. I am so excited to get my hands on this range. Let me know down below, are you going to be buying anything from this range, or would you change anything about this range? I'd love to know. Personally, I think maybe we could have done with a bubble bar and maybe something else just to make the range a bit bigger. I always feel like a 4-item range is just not big at all, so I would love to know down below your thoughts, opinions, what you're kind of thinking. I really like it. I think it's interesting, it's different, so I'm really excited about it. Again, as I mentioned at the start of this video, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, as I would absolutely love to have you join my corner of the internet. It is free, and over half of you guys haven't subscribed, so if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please hit that button. I would absolutely appreciate it so much, and I would love for you to join my little Lush book family. So please feel free to join in. It is a great time. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.